When I was like a few months old, my parents took me to Hilda and did a prick test to see what I was allergic to. So I knew that I was allergic to peanuts since I was born. I feel really safe in this school with my allergy because they have a really big box full of EpiPens for anyone that could use them.
Certainly from a peace of mind point of view, students can feel safe and secure knowing that we have got this provision in school. So we open up the box and it contains auto-injectors. They all contain adrenaline. You can see the dosages of them. For anybody who's using the kit who isn't familiar, all of the information that they need is on the instruction sheet there.
So you pull this bit off and you hold it firmly like this and you jab it into your thigh until you hear a click. And you hold it for a few seconds and then you take it out and then you would dial 999.